It's that time of year. Kids all over the country heading back to school. Some of them going in person for the first time.
I'm very excited, but I want to cry because I'm so emotional, but she's going to do great.
If you're feeling overwhelmed, you aren't alone. Moms on TikTok have some brilliant hacks to make the school year run a little more smoothly. Like user Lauren Clutter, who simplified packing lunches.
To make mornings a little smoother, I pre-pack everything that's going to go into our kids' school lunches on Sunday afternoons.
And what about all the artwork and paper that come home in your kid's backpack? User Roxanne Strickland uses binders and sheet protectors to keep it all perfectly organized. And user Take It From Nicole shows you how to take the what to wear battle out of your morning routine.
On Sunday nights, we take clothes that they need for the week and put an entire outfit for the day in each labeled drawer.
And for parents of older kids, if your baby is heading off to college, the Home Edit posted 5 tips to organize a dorm room, like maximizing space by using the door and creating an on-the-go study station on a rolling cart.